Hello, you're welcome back once more to my YouTube channel. I am J.SMART-DIGITALS. Alright, in today's class, I'll be teaching you how to design this flyer that you are seeing on the screen. Alright, without wasting much of a time, if you have not yet subscribed, and today happens to be the first day of you seeing this video or following up on our YouTube channel here, do it to subscribe and also hit on the notification button to get notified whenever we release our video. Then do it to share, share it, okay? Share, like, and comment, okay? All right, let us hit a point without wasting much of a time. First thing first is okay, let me just cover it up with a background. Okay, this is the background I will be making use of. Okay, so after such, okay, I know what to do. Alright, so what I'm going to do is to change the background size. You come to image size, let me change it to, this one should be 1680 and this should be 1380, which should be 1380, height 1680. Alright, this is the size I will be using, so I'm going to be fast. So I bring in the background I'm to use. This is the background, so I place it where I have to lock it up. Okay, so if you have not yet watched how the settings of Pixel Lab, you can still go back on my previous video and watch it. All right, so the next thing I'm to do is just to bring in okay, let me search for it. So this is it. All right, this is I've already used eraser to remove this. Okay, so you can see it, right? So the next thing to do is also to lock it up, bring in another one. So this is the first image that I'll be using. Okay, so you can just increase it a bit. Here should be okay, right? Let's check. All right, I'll be making use. Then you have to bring it down. Okay, good. Can you see it? Nice. So the next thing is to bring another image. So this is the image. That's the image I'll be making use of this design. So the next thing is to bring another image. So this is the image. Please, I don't have to be wasting much of your time. That's the reason I'm just being fast here. Okay, so see one trick that I'm going to do. You have to duplicate this, copy it. You can see I just copy something, right? Good. Now you have to turn it to black. Go to color. See, let me show you. You come over here. You can see this thing, right? Then click on it. Then after such, you come to color and click on color. Okay, so I've clicked on color. Then on the color, change it to black. Okay, I see what I'm doing. Good. So after such, after you must have done this, then you can just come to rotate. Let me check. No, not this rotates. Let me check 3D rotates. Good. Come over to 3D rotates. Okay, so rotate it. Let me just check. The S-axis should be around 63. Let us check. Then you have to decrease it a bit. Then you have to put a shadow, and the blur should be also, you have to increase the blur, and the opacity you have to decrease it. Good. Decrease it. Okay, nice. So after such, you have to place this here. Then you have to bring it down. Good. So after such, sorry, you can then please log this one, please. Good. So you can just bring it up here. So this one, this very good one, sorry, if you have not yet subscribed, I don't still know your problem, so do it to subscribe, okay? So that, because if you don't subscribe, you don't understand this thing very well. I'm just promising you this. So now see what I'm going to do. I have to copy this in. Come to crop the leg, okay? Crop the leg, crop it, okay? You can just bring it up here. Then you can just on a black something and cover it. Sorry, use black color, okay? So you can just turn it to black, okay? So please, it's like I lost my voice somehow, so please manage it, okay? So you can just decrease this one, then bring it down, nice, bring it down, okay? So now please, this very good one here, you can just, maybe you can lock this one, lock it. So this very good one here, you can just increase it. Oh, okay, let me see what I can do. Okay, okay, there's no problem. So this one here, you can just bring it up here. Okay, just lock this one. So bring this one up here. I mean this bring it up here. So may not get the same thing that I did, but I'm just trying to give you an inspiration of how I did it, so that you will be able to do yours, okay? Nice. So after such, okay, I don't really like how it is. Let me just decrease it a bit, then decrease this one as well. Nice. I've got what I want. So you can then come over to here. I don't really want this video to take much of a time, so please do well to watch the next video. Thank you.